Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can make money from YouTube without spending any money. Alright, you might heard or watch this kind of video before on YouTube. There's a lot of video, this kind of video on YouTube, how you can make money for free from YouTube. But most of the video, they will end up with you still have to put some money, right? Or you have to subscribe an autoresponder, or you have to buy some software and so on and so forth. But this video, I know you are a newbie here, and I will definitely literally show you a method, a free method on how you can make money from YouTube. Alright, okay guys, before we dive in, if you're new to my channel, in this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to grow your YouTube channel and stuff like that. Alright, so if you're new, consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you will get notified once I release a new video. Alright, so let's jump into our tutorial to video. Okay, basically this technique, we are going to earn money, you are going to earn money from Adsense. Alright, okay, what is Adsense? Adsense is basically, there is ads program, right? So Adsense is basically like this, right? There is three parties here. Advertiser, this is number one. Sorry, let me draw something here. Okay, this is number one, and this is number two, Google, and this is you, number three. Alright, basically the idea is, this advertiser, they will pay Google, alright, to advertise their product or their service, their stuff and whatsoever. Alright, they will pay Google to advertise their product on Google. Alright, as you know, Google had a lot of platform like blog, alright, blog, and one of them is YouTube, which is YouTube is second largest search engine behind Google. Google in number one and YouTube in number two. So basically Google will pay you. It's kind of like Google will rank, alright, they will rank your videos. This is your videos. Google will rank your videos to put their advertiser ads into your videos. This is the ads. Okay, you might you might seen it before. Once before you want to play some videos, there is a small ads down below the video. Right, that is advertiser ads. Right, they pay Google, and Google will rank and pay some certain amount of money to you, so that they can put the advertiser ad to your videos. Right, so that is the idea. Then you will get money. Alright, you will get money. Google will definitely will pay you some money for run ads into your videos. Alright, so the crucial part here is you have to monetize, or you have to drive as much as traffic that you can, or as much as visitor that you can, so that you will earn a lot of money. Alright, the more people that you can bring to your videos, the more ad revenue, or the more money you can get. Right, so how to do that, that is the most crucial part. Right, so no worries, I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay guys, I'm going to share with you a channel who get a lot of subscriber, and I think he did very well in order to earn money from YouTube, right, from Google AdSense. Okay, this channel here called Top 5 Central. Alright, okay, and what this channel did is they just combine interesting videos, like most scariest video in the world, or most bigger top 5 bigger things in the world, top 5 car in the world, top 5 scariest house in the world, and things like that, right? So they had, here as you can see, they had 3.8 million subscribers, guys. It's insane, it's really insane. And I'm going to show you the top most popular video in this channel. Right, as you can see here, top 10 deadliest, top 10 deadliest roller coaster you won't believe exists. This video itself generate 49 million views, guys. It's insane. Do you have any idea how much money that this video, this channel had generated with this kind of amount of views? It's insane. As you can see here, and as you can see here, this is the ads. This is the ad that I told you just now, right? So this is advertiser. This guy here, he paid Google, and Google put that ads, the advertiser ad, on these videos. And this channel, guys, this channel, Top 5 Central, they earn money from Google, right? Insane, guys. They had 49 million views, and this view keep on growing every single day, right? Keep on growing. Okay, so this is the idea, this is the crucial part, and this is the idea. Okay, you have to create some kind of this video, this channel, to get views, right? And I will show you another channel, this channel called What's Inside. This channel had 6 million subscriber, right? And insane, it's insane. All right, and what this channel did is very interesting, right? He will cut out, he will split out every single thing. All right, I will show you the most popular videos in this channel. And the most is what's inside a rattlesnake's rattle. Oh, okay. This video, this particular video here, generated 84 million views. It's insane, alright? And what they did, I think they cut it, the snake tail, right? Yes, they just cut to show people what inside. Yes, that's all. Alright, they will cut every single thing that they might think interested, and maybe requested from their viewer, their audience, right? Like this one, they cut a football, they cut a ball, right? See? So that was the idea, guys. So by inviting as much traffic as you can to your videos, you can earn money from YouTube, right? From a Google Adsense program. So Google will pay you, okay? Google will pay you certain amount of money when your video display Google advertiser ads, right? So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and you can apply right after this video. It's very simple method, and you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to invest anything, any dime in this technique, right? Is free, everyone can do it. The thing that you have to do now is you have to be creative. You can go to this channel, and you can get some idea to create your own channel. All right, so I see you in the next video. So that's all for this video. If you find this video useful and valuable to you, press subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Alright, so see you in the next video.